In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money from TDC for Melio. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you're fully informed and ready to handle your Melio transactions with ease. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Melio's website. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to log in with your existing account credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the settings gear icon. This is your next step. Clicking on this icon will take you straight into the settings section of your account, which will allow you to tailor your Melio experience to exactly fit your needs. Within the settings, you're going to spot a section called Payment Methods. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to manage how and where your funds are coming from and going to. In this section, you'll see an option to add a credit card, specifically your TDC. By selecting this, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Ensure these are accurate to avoid any hiccups during the transaction process. Now, with your credit card details entered, you'll notice the option to click on Add. This option will officially link your TDC to your Melio account. It's a straightforward process, yet incredibly important, as this is what enables you to use your credit card as a payment source. Next, with your TDC added successfully, it's time to designate it as your payment source. By clicking on your newly added credit card, confirm it as the preferred method of payment. This will ensure that all future transactions draw from this card, streamlining your transactions and solidifying your planning strategy. Once you've selected your TDC, don't forget to press Save and Continue. This is vital, as it confirms your choices and